Positioning holes of membrane switch are made on the edge of graphic overlay. They are in the blank space next to the position of silkscreen printing. Positioning holes cannot be made casually. They need to be carried out according to the actual production condition. Generally speaking, positioning holes are designed at both ends of the product, and there must be more than one positioning hole on a product. Positioning holes are designed for precise positioning. Through the positioning holes, it can be ensured that the various components of the membrane switch can maintain accurate position during various processes, such as stamping or assembly, thereby ensuring that the various parts are accurately connected. If there are no positioning holes, you need to rely on manual alignment. It is not only time-consuming and labor-intensive, but also error-prone. With positioning holes, automatic or semi-automatic production processes can come true, thereby improving efficiency of product production and product quality. JRPanel has rich experience in customization and production of membrane switches and graphic overlays. Welcome to contact us and place an order.